One tough hot day in Africa, 4 gorillas were all together. Then all of a sudden, a van rocked up and 4 hunters came out. The other gorilla and sniper rifles and shoots one in the head. The other gorilla started running. Hurry up, get the dogs out to get them. Yeah, get them, hurry up. I'm opening the van door now. Quick, quick. The gorillas look good. If we sell his fur and meat, we'll make a fortune, plus the trophies. The dogs come out of the van to get the gorillas that has ran into the mountains. One of the gorillas get trapped into a net trap. The dogs continue to search for the 2 gorillas. All 3 of the hunters are in a competition. Gorilla 1, come on, come up this tree. We'll hide in here, quick. When they come out, we will jump on them. When the gorillas were slowly looking down from them, the axeman came from behind and cut a random tree. Come on, come up this tree. We'll hide in here, quick. When they come out, we will jump on them. When the gorillas were slowly looking down from them, the axeman came from behind and cut a random tree. Hey axeman, to come and cut this tree. It looks big, and if we cut this tree down in 10 minutes, we'll win the tree medal. Okay, I'll get to the chainsaw out from the trailer. Gorilla 2. I hear men talking behind the tree. Don't worry about that. We haven't seen the hunters, and those dogs come this way, and they couldn't come from behind us. I think I can see them. Yes, I think that's them on the tree. Get the snipers out. Quick, bang. Quick. Aiming, bang. One of the gorillas got shot in the arm, but he was getting weaker and weaker. Ouch, it's okay. Sadly, both the gorillas died and got taken in by the hunters. And they won the trophies. Their meat and fur was sold, and they got $19,900.